Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the summary of Zoom online social studies class. Our lesson is lesson number 6, minerals, power resources and industries. What are, first of all, we have to see the definition of these terms. Number 1 is minerals. What are minerals? A solid substance occurring naturally such as copper and silicon. Minerals are those substances that are dug up from the ground or from quarries. Then the next is power resources. What are power resources? Power resources are those resources through which we get power. Then we have industries. Simple. Industries means factories. So in the last lecture we have studied about minerals. Now today our topic is power resources. Power resources, those resources through which we get power. Power resources, as we know, Pakistan uses much less energy than many other countries. For example, we use 80 times less energy than the United States. Pakistan does not produce much energy and does not have enough to meet its need. The energy we use in Pakistan comes from oil, gas, water and coal. Oil, gas, water and coal. These are the energy resources through which we get power. Here, this is the picture of oil. This is the natural resource. Then we have natural gas. Then we have water, and then we have coal. So these are the sources, different sources through which we get power. Okay? The energy we use in Pakistan come from these resources. कौन कौन से हैं? Oil, gas, water and coal. First of all, come to petroleum. In 1961, the Oil and Gas Development Corporation was set up in Pakistan to explore, develop, produce, refine and sell oil and gas. Petroleum is made from oil which is found deep below the surface of the earth. Petroleum is made from oil. और कहाँ से हमें मिलता है? It is found deep below the surface of the earth. Pakistan does not have enough oil for its needs. A huge amount is imported every year. Import means those things which we buy from other countries. So as we know, Pakistan does not have enough oil. So to fulfill the needs, we have to import petroleum, oil and petroleum from other countries every year. This is the picture. This picture shows different uses of oil and petroleum. Almost 50% of the petroleum we use goes to run our cars, trucks, buses and aeroplanes. Cars, trucks, buses and aeroplanes. ठीक है, पेट्रोलियम के 50% जो है वो चला जाता है इस चीज़ में. Then we have petroleum is also used to produce power in industry and for domestic and agricultural purposes. Besides petroleum, oil is also used in the manufacturing of many other products such as lubricants and even cosmetics. As you can see in the picture, it is also used in lubricants, oil for machinery, and it is also used in cosmetics. So these are the different uses which uses of oil and petroleum. Now come to oil fields. Oil fields, this is the map of Pakistan which shows the oil fields which we have in Pakistan. Energy regions, we have coal, oil and gas. ठीक है? Then we have oil and gas, this region. Then we have Hydel. Hydel is in the north of Pakistan. First we have to see oil fields. There are oil fields in the Potohar Plateau. Here it is Potohar Plateau. ठीक है, क्लास 4 में आप लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. इस्लामाबाद is built on Potohar Plateau and in Lower Sindh. This region is of oil fields. Oil fields are found in the Potohar Plateau and in the Lower Sindh. The lower Sindh oil fields were discovered in 1981 when oil was found at Kashkili. Since then 20 other fields have been discovered in this region. Then we have oil refineries. Before it can be used, oil has to be refined or made pure. This is done at a refinery. This is the picture of refinery, National Refinery, Karachi. There are several refineries in Pakistan. The Attock Refinery at Morgo, Rawalpindi is the oldest. Then we have another natural resource, that is natural gas. After water, natural gas is the second most important source of energy in Pakistan. Clear? After water, natural gas is Pakistan's second most important source of energy. Pakistan is very fortunate to have large reserves of natural gas. Natural gas is used in our industries and for domestic purposes. The search for oil resulted in the discovery of gas in 1952 at Sui, Balochistan. Since then, several gas fields have been found. The largest gas field is at Sui and the second largest at Mari. From Sui, gas is piped to Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakhar and Quetta. Other fields discovered in the country provide gas to many of our towns and cities. Now the next one is electricity. Electricity in Pakistan, electricity is made into 3 ways. First way हम देख लेते हैं. Number 1 is thermal power. Thermal power में electricity कैसे बनती है? This is the process of electricity in thermal power plant. Burning oil or gas turns water in the huge boilers into steam. This passes under great pressure into turbines. Turbine क्या होता है? Turbine are a kind of windmill. The turbine turn the dynamos which produce electricity. So this is the process of thermal power plant. Then next is hydroelectricity. The word hydro means water. Hydroelectricity means that electricity which we made from water. In a hydroelectric power station, water is stored behind huge dams in the wet season and allowed to run out through huge pipes where it turned the turbines. और जब turbines चलते हैं तो क्या होता है? It produce electricity. The next way is producing electricity is nuclear power. In a nuclear station, the water is heated by nuclear power to turn the turbine, which then produce electricity. So these are the 3 ways in which Pakistan produces electricity. This was all about your today's lecture. Hope you understand it. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.